every day, late at night, not okay.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a ocean breeze energy lift-off tea, okay? So you're going to need some cranberry aloe, tropical lift-off, original herbal concentrate tea, energy tea, lemon lime flavored blue blast, and of course a 32 ounce of ice, I'm sorry. So we're going to start off by getting some hot water. And a lot of people do this if you want to help activate your lift off a lot faster, smashing your tablet, which I've already done. And the hot water is going to help activate your energy booster. So just like that. Okay. Then we're going to do a half a teaspoon of energy tea. A half a teaspoon of just original. One tablespoon of cranberry aloe, or 3 caps of your top. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my lemon lime flavor, or maybe not. Let's go ahead and add this at the bottom. Okay, so then we're gonna add some water. Okay, we'll go ahead and add a little bit more of hot water on the bottom of our mixing cup. Add our lemon lime. Mix that up. A little bit more. Add that to the top. Okay. Finish filling it up with water all the way to the top. Just like that. And then our blue blast. Whatever blue flavor you want to use, ocean water or blue blast, blue raspberry, whichever one you're more comfortable with or like the flavor of more.